It is the worst feeling in business. You deposit a customer's check, record it in QuickBooks, and a few days later, the bank tells you it bounced. Not only does the bank pull that money right back out of your account, but they usually hit you with a non-sufficient funds. If you just delete the original payment in QuickBooks, you will completely mess up your bank records. Today, I'll show you the correct, accountant-approved way to handle a bounce check. First, we need to tell QuickBooks that the money was taken back out of your checking account, and that the customer owes you again. Head up to your Plus Create button at the top left, and under the Vendors column, click on Expense. This part is a little counterintuitive, so pay close attention. In the Payee dropdown, do not select your bank. Select the customer who wrote the bad check. Confirm the payment account is your main checking account, and set the date to the day the bank reversed the deposit. Scroll down to the category details. Set the category to Accounts Receivable, and type in the exact dollar amount of the bounce check. By using Accounts Receivable, you are essentially pulling the money out of your bank and sticking the balance back onto the customer's open tab. Then hit Save and Close. Next, we have to deal with the penalty fee your bank charged you. Look over at your left-hand menu, click All Apps, navigate to Accounting, and open Bank Transactions. Look inside your Pending tab for that specific bank fee. Click on the transaction to open the Details panel. In the Account box, select your Bank Charges and Fees category. Once that is set, hit the green Post button at the bottom left to officially log the expense into your books. Finally, you shouldn't have to pay out of pocket because their check bounced. We need to pass that fee back to them. Go back to your Plus Create button and open a new invoice. Select the customer and add a line item specifically for a bounced check fee. Add the penalty amount, hit Send, and now your books are perfectly balanced while you wait for their new payment. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.